Hey, I'm Dr. Guest, and welcome to Beast Mode. I'm here to teach you and train you, not just to entertain you. Let's get to work. Today we're breaking down academic lapse, and let's define it. Academic lapse, a high leverage teaching technique by which the teacher circulates the classroom, often with clipboard in hand, to assess student work, offer feedback, and collect data, hear this, in real time. Academic labs increase student engagement, student accountability, and student learning. That's huge. And that's why this is a high leverage tool. It checks all three of these boxes: student engagement, check; student accountability, check; and student learning, check. When we talk about the labs, this doesn't mean that the teacher circulates the classroom the entire class or class period. We're talking about only 2 to 3 laps per lesson to assess, hear this, the specific look-fors. And this is important. Let's dive into look-fors. Specific student tasks that the teacher announces that he or she is going to look for as he or she circulates the classroom. The look for should be aligned with the objectives and the standards. That's key. And also know this, only give 1 to 2 look fors per lap. Last but not least, teachers, make sure we use the clipboard. We need to write down or notate what we see. Remember, we're collecting data in real time. And why? Teachers, we know we get busy and the day is long. If you don't write it down, you will what? Forget it. And that's academic lapse.